Subscribe to Smithy's Con Ticket.
There you go. How's that?
Check me out.
I'm Smithy, and the Con Ticket's just there. Thought I had a scratch on my camera, then it's not, it's the light. Now I've given this site 5 stars because it's an absolutely perfect Parkup. But I've decided I'm not only giving it 5 stars, I'm going to give it 3 Michelin stars as well. And you'll see why. Apart from somebody dumping a tent there, I don't know why these campers are just dumping stuff wherever they go. I would bin it, me, but you never know if they've just gone somewhere and it's collapsed. Just show you. There's the Con Ticket. Nearly fell over. I've never held this camera vlogging like this before. So why have you given Bull, Beck at CATON 5 stars, but not only 5 stars, 3 Michelin stars? What a Parkup! Have a look at this. How many Parkups do you know that have got its own? Yeah, believe it. Drive-in movie. Now if that's not a 5-star Parkup with 3 Michelin stars, I don't know what is. Well, you can see that. Not only has it got toilets, recycling. Throw your waste. Somebody's chucked a parcel there. So you can recycle everything. I have some drone footage of this site, so I'll get that and I'll put it on so you can see what it's like. There's my van. Somebody else with a camper down there. Why are you walking down here, Smithy? Well, I did some cooking videos. 2 in fact. And I want to show you where they were. In between 2 streams. That's where I found the, what do you call it? The arrow. There you go. That's where I did my cooking in the island. Not far from my van. And you can walk your dog. Or dogs, so I've got 2. I like these Parkups that are away from the road. So there you are, T-bar. Can we zoom in? Social distancing observed. You order and then they put it on the table for you. Hey, what nice food. I don't know, I can zoom back out. Let's have a look. Oh, there. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. How are you?
Not so bad. I'm good in this weather. I thought one of them could have been Mr. Dad's Play One. I want to give a good shout out to Blake's 4 on tour, because they're making some good videos all the way from the edge of the south all the way up to Scotland. And they've been through Morecambe, Windermere, the lakes. Anyway, some good videos that they're making. So Blake's 4 on tour. Show them a bit of love, have a look at their channel and see what they're all about. Just got to walk back to the van now. But hey, what a Parkup. Drive-in movie, fire pits, benches, swings, everything. Anyway, take care. Have a look at the Parkup. I'll show you the what 3 words for it. And guess what? Stay safe, be lucky, and Smithy in front of all this traffic. I'll see you shortly. Take care.